Hey everybody, how are you? It is the last Thursday of July 2026. So yeah, August is coming right around the corner. Actually, rent is due, on Saturday, I believe. Yeah, on Saturday. Already been paid, by the way, a little early, but that's a good thing. Happy early birthday to my brother Doug, who's down in Florida, on Sunday, August 2nd. Getting a little excited. Market Days is coming up a week from tomorrow. Thanks to Grad Magazine for this awesome little, pull out. I guess maybe that's not the right word to use. Information about Market Days and who's coming when. I must be getting old. I am a little bit. But the thing is, I don't recognize a lot of these acts. A lot of them are from RuPaul's Whatever Race. I almost said DrewPaul. RuPaul's Whatever Race. But I do love the fact that Jessica Kirsten, if you have not seen her, watch the YouTube video. She's hilarious. She is going to be here on Market Days on Sunday at 6:30 p.m. in Chicago. Here, so yeah, that's where I'm from here, everybody. So Chicago, Illinois. Market Days is our annual street festival. We kind of call it the last gay high holy days of the summer, and that's going to be a week from tomorrow. So if you don't know about Market Days, there's a little link right here to tell you about Market Days and what it's all about. But so Stacy Bridges, who runs Grad Magazine with his crew, nice job on this one. I know, it's very hard putting publications out nowadays because everybody does everything online, and he's been doing this for a long time and a huge benefit to our community. It's been beautiful weather the last several days. It's been sunny in the 70s. Today is about 80 something. Going to meet with some friends later, and then Saturday is supposed to be raining. You got to take the sun with the rain. So I'm going to go with my friend Rob, my best friend Rob, and go see the Odyssey, which will be in the theater for like 3 weeks. I'm exaggerating. It's almost a 3-hour movie. I'm like, boy, long movie, but I hear it's great. So I'm going to go do that on Saturday. So not a lot planned this weekend, but going to August might be a little bit busy off and on, but definitely looking forward to Market Days. That's all I got, folks. That's all I got for today. It's been a busy day so far. You know me. Got to go out and exercise. I got the gym today. Got to get my cardio in so I can look beautiful, more beautiful than I am. It's a work in progress. But anyway, there's a lot of stuff going on in our world, as I always say, a lot of unkind things and hate and stuff. We just need to be better human beings, strive to be the best, beautiful, wonderful, glorious person that you are. Share that gloriness and that wonderfulness with your neighbors and mainly yourself, but with your chosen family, your families, everybody. That's what matters in this world. I just love the people that I'm close with and care about them even though I don't see them as often as I like, but I love them and I love the support. So that's all I got. Be a good person, will you? Very important. Subscribe, like, and share. I will see you on Monday. Give you an update about the Odyssey and all that other good stuff. And happy August 1st coming up. Brand new month, new goals, new things to do. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.